The check out the lighting, like it says the warm yellow though. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash review on this 10-inch ring light that I got from Amazon. It came in this box right here. The company that I got it from is UBeesize. So if you are interested to find out more about this company, the ring lights, and the specs on this ring light, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 10-inch ring light from UBeesize, and it came in this box right here. On the website it does say it is a 10-inch ring light. This is the 10.5 ring light with stand and with a phone holder. They say it's good to make YouTube videos, and it has 3 light modes and 11 brightness levels. And this ring light retails for $35.98, which is in US, and then when you round it off it would be around 100 EC dollars. So we're going to unbox it together. So let me go. Okay, so inside of the box, this is the ring light right here. It came in this. Nice suede looking bag. Okay, cool. So this is the ring light, and it comes with like an adapter that you could plug into your phone or so. On the card it has UBeesize ring light, 10-inch ring light with tripod, and it also says if you have any questions or query you can email them, and their email address is on it, and this is how it's supposed to look. And it also came with a lighting color switch and a USB cable powered card, so you can plug it into your laptop, you can plug it into like a portable charger, whatever has current, you can plug it straight into that device. So a computer host, a portable source, or a laptop. And it has 3 modes: white, warm yellow, and warm white. And it gives you the instruction on how you can, right here it gives you the instructions on how you adjust the phone holder on it. So this is the ring light, and this small little box. In this you have the tripod stand, and you have this to connect onto the ring light, which is the holder, the phone holder, and this is the tripod. I wish the tripod was a bit bigger, but for the price it's worth the money. It's a phone holder, and it also can extend like this to put in your phone and out. And yeah, to set it up, I think you just push this into this. Okay, so you spin it out a bit like this. Spin it, spin it, spin it. And then you push it into the phone holder into this. And then you can always spin it back down so that it can hold like this. But again, I wouldn't be using this because I don't use a phone to record. But if you want, you can use it, and then you push it forward like this, and you adjust your phone, or you can twist it like this and apply your phone into this, and then you apply it onto the tripod stand like this. So I'm going to apply the tripod on it. So I'm gonna plug the power into one of my cards and plug it up. So I took down the curtain, so I'm gonna be testing it out now, because again I use natural lighting. So let's see how this works. It's on. Okay, so this is the white one. This one is the warm yellow, and then you can always put the light up and then you can just dim it down, so as you can see, and then it goes down 11 volumes, so as you can see. And then I'm gonna turn it right back up to the brightest. So this is the brightest one. It's pretty. Let's try the other level, which is the warm white, which is no, because of the background. It's a definite no. That's the lowest level, and it goes back down. Switch back over to the white one, and then that's the lowest level. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So yeah, but so far I'm loving the warm yellow one, which is this one right here, which is this is what I'm using right now, which is the warm. Says the warm yellow, though the warm yellow is like everything. So this is just me testing it out to see how it is. Okay, so there's a level, I like this level, which is the warm yellow, and the UBeesize ring light came with this also, so you can put it on, you can turn it on, and you can pair it with your Android and your iPhone, whichever one. But so far so good. So this is the warm yellow, and I love this one. It's super pretty, and it's good for when you're doing your makeup, because this ring light is a 10-inch, so it is portable. You can take it wherever you want, so it's a mobile ring light. The sizing is good and everything, good for your makeup. But if you want something bigger, you can always go for the 12-inch, 14. I think they have 18 inches as well. But yeah, so far so good. I love this ring light, you guys. You can see everything, like it's little and it's cute. You can put it on your vanity, wherever you want to use it. And a bit of information about this ring light. Again, it's from UBeesize on Amazon. I'll put all the information for this ring light in my description bar down below. And the tripod stand isn't really long, but it does come with a phone holder. Again, I'm not using the phone holder because I'm using my camera. So I'm excited to test this baby out, especially when I do makeup for clients. And this ring light retails for $35.98 US, free shipping. And if you are not a fan of it, there is a free return. I've seen a lot of good reviews on this ring light. So far so good. If you want to do your makeup and stuff, it's really good for that. And it is a mobile ring light. You can take it anywhere because it's so small and it's so cute that you can just, if you're traveling wherever you're going, it's a good size. You can just put it in your handbags, and you know my handbags are always big. So say if you need to go out and get yourself one of these ring lights, I'm not playing, like the lighting is really nice. Like, and the good thing about it, it came in this cute little suede pouch, so you can put your ring lights in and all of the other stuff, the tripod and everything, and you're good to go. You can travel with it. Check out the lighting, like sis, please, sis. Okay, yeah, but this ring light is bomb, not gonna lie. Can't wait to test it out. If you are living in St. Vincent or any other Caribbean islands and you're interested in purchasing this ring light, it's gonna come up to $100 for you to pay for it. And then when it comes into your country, I paid like $90 to clear it at Swiftback here in Kingston, St. Vincent. So that's the only thing I don't like these custom officers be killing us left, right, and center. It's like you're paying the same amount that you paid to order it. Like, that's not fair at all. Like, sis, like that's the only thing that I really didn't like. But overall, it's worth the money. I'm going to invest in getting a 18-inch newer ring light. But for me, this is good when I travel or if I go anywhere, like to make videos. It's a good size. Like, it's bomb. Like, you need to go and get yourself one of these ring light from UBeesize. Like, you're not gonna be mad at all. You're gonna save your coins and you're gonna get the brightness that you want, sis. Like, it's a win-win. Like, shout out to my friend for getting me this ring light, because since I started YouTube, I never owned a ring light because I don't see the need for it, because I normally use natural lighting. But as time went on, I was like, you know, I need to up my game. Like, I need something, like if I want to record in the night, this is the best alternative because it is mobile, it's small, and you can take it anywhere. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'm being 100% honest, minus customs charging you like the same price that you ordered your stuff. Like, I ain't about that life. But anyways, overall, I love it. So until next time, always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next video.